is a arrow on there showing you which is the top part and which is the bottom part, so that you don't put it in backwards. So look real close for the part that says tub and or either up. And right here we're measuring the height of the shower head itself. The standard height should be 6'6", and in this case this one is shorter, so we will have to bring the shower head up to bring it up to today's standard. And 6'6", I guess just about right here. So when we do reassemble the new shower valve, we will allow for the extra riser for the shower head itself, adding a few more inches. Now, before we get started, I usually like to just kind of lay some of my material out and just get some pre-pieces that are, just some random pieces that are already there that I can use, and clean the valve itself, clean the fittings, flux it, and solder. This is the no corrode flux that I like to use, number 5. And usually to me, the best solder jobs are when you clean the excess flux off the outside of the fittings and the pipe. Because if you have flux everywhere, the solder will follow all the flux and just make a mess. So just clean them and wipe it down, and you'll have a nice, neat solder joint. And we have our emery cloth, and what I like to use is the fiberglass cleaning cloth. You see how easy that just slid right out of there? I usually like to use a little trick with the channel out pliers and kind of egg shape the copper tubing. So this way, when I push it up into the hole by being egg shaped, it will sit and set nice and firm, and it won't pull out as easy. So when you're working on a vertical solder, you don't have to worry about the pipe falling out. See?